One of the biggest signs of growth in the Indian residential property market is the increasing desire for larger homes. This trend is visible across most cities, with just a few exceptions. No wonder builders are keen to meet this demand. Hyderabad is one city where 3 BHK apartments are gaining popularity. Welcome to Magic Bricks, your go-to destination for all things property related. Today we'll be reviewing Jaya Bheri's The Nirvana, a promising new project in the Gachibowli area of Hyderabad. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to MBTV for more updates and property reviews. Gachibowli means step well lined with limestone. That's an old story. Welcome to the new and developing Hyderabad, where Bowlis have been replaced by swimming pools offered by various luxurious residential projects. One such project is Jaya Bheri's The Nirvana. Before we jump into the swimming pool, let's talk about the builder. The company Jaya Bheri was started by Telugu actor Murli Mohan in 1987 and ventured into real estate in the 90s. The developer claims to have built more than 70 lakh square feet area, and they have ongoing projects on 96 lakh square feet area. Spread in 7.23 acres, Jaya Bheri's The Nirvana has 5 blocks of 29 floors. These blocks have 693 units of 3 BHK and 3 BHK plus study. The developer is giving you options in terms of sizes from 1,883 square feet to 2,226 square feet. As per RERA, the developer plans to give possessions by August 2027. The project has a 3-level basement car parking facility and provisions for 1,492 parkings, which means every owner will have 2 car parking spaces. One of the main attractions of the project is its 49,000 square feet clubhouse with various sports and recreational facilities. It will have a swimming pool, basketball court, amphitheatre, and business lounge. Gachibowli is a well-developed area home to major IT companies such as Wipro and TCS, as well as the Spaces and More Business Park. The financial district of Nanakaram Guda is approximately 5 kilometers away, while Hi-Tech City is just around 11 kilometers from Jaya Bheri's new project, The Nirvana. Residents of The Nirvana will have easy access to various facilities for education, shopping, and entertainment. There are numerous good schools and colleges within a 7-kilometer radius. For healthcare, the Telangana Institute of Medical Sciences and Research is just 5 kilometers away, and there are plenty of private hospitals and clinics in the area. While daily shopping needs can be met nearby, the closest mall is about a 7 to 8 kilometer drive away. In recent quarters, Hyderabad has seen a surge in demand, leading to competitive prices. Depending on the size, the price for a 3 BHK at Jaya Bheri's The Nirvana ranges from 1.84 crores to over 2.23 crores for a 3 BHK plus study. To compare The Nirvana with other nearby projects, we can look at Pacifica Hillcrest. Nirvana is offering a rate of 9,750 rupees per square feet to 10,000 rupees per square feet, whereas Pacifica Hillcrest is priced around 8,800 per square feet. However, this comparison does not take into account the facilities and amenities offered by each project. In Gachibowli, the price range for a 3 BHK apartment varies from 1.20 crores to 2.80 crore. Distance to major railway stations and the airport might be an issue for residents in the area. Secunderabad railway station is around 22 kilometers away and Hyderabad railway station is about 16 kilometers away. For Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, you will need to cover a distance of around 32 kilometers. However, once the airport metro becomes operational, Residents can board it from Nanakaramgura, which is less than 5 kilometers from Gachibowli. This area is still in its developing stage with many residential, commercial, and infrastructure projects under construction. During peak summers, some parts have experienced water shortages. However, developers claim that this is a temporary phase and that such problems will disappear once the administration is streamlined. If you're considering Jaya Bheri's The Nirvana as an option, this report might help you in making a decision. However, we always recommend conducting your own research regarding the background of the company, the value of the property, and future prospects. You can utilize Magic Bricks research material like Prop Index and access the property's value using our upgraded price valuation tool, PropWorth. For more such reviews, keep watching MBTV.